Hello guys and welcome to Quick Tip Academy. Today we will learn a quick tutorial on how to use data validation in Excel. Data validation is used to define the type of data inputted into specific cells in Excel. Today we will use data validation to create a data card that can be used to collect information. Let's call it basic information to collect name, age, country of origin. Merge and color cells as desired. For name cell, click Data on the menu bar. Data validation. For validation criteria, allow, select text length. Data, retain between. Minimum, enter 0. Maximum, enter 25. Click Input Message tab. Input message, enter name. Title, name. Click Error Alert tab. Error message, enter, text limit exceeded. Click OK. When the name cell is selected, an input message enter name is prompted. First, try to enter random characters with entry exceeding 25 characters. An error message, text limit exceeded is received. Next, write a short name and the text is accepted. For a cell, again click Data Validation. On Settings tab, allow whole numbers between the range of 0 to 150. Input Message tab, enter age. Error Message tab, enter whole number. Range 0 to 150. Again we see a message prompt, enter age. First, try to enter an age in words. Error message is received. Next, try a whole number, and the data is validated. For country, we bring in our list of all the world countries. Again click Data Validation. Settings tab, allow list. Click Source. Select the list of countries from top to bottom. Click Enter. Source range is selected. Go ahead to hide list. On the country cell, we have a drop-down list with all the world countries. You can format the data card as desired. File is ready to be sent for user inputs. Thank you for learning. Please like, so others can benefit from this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.